The field of engineering and construction has been greatly transformed by the introduction of construction machinery. These remarkable machines have made it significantly easier and more efficient to undertake large-scale projects. Welcome to Majestic Works, where we showcase the awe-inspiring machineries in the world. Today, we'll be showcasing the top 6 world record-holding construction machines. So without further ado, let's get into it. Kicking off the list at number 6, we have Komatsu PC8000, the hydraulic giant known as the most powerful hydraulic excavator in its product range. With an engine power ranging from 3,000 to 4,020 kilowatt horsepower, this machine is a force to be reckoned with. Boasting a shovel capacity of 42 cubic meters and a backhoe capacity of 42 cubic meters, it matches the power of 240 to 400 US ton trucks. The PC8000 features the ComVision system for increased operator awareness and reduced pit accidents. It also ensures safe access with its 45-degree stairway system. Five, Liebherr R9800, the fuel-efficient powerhouse. In the 5th place, we have the Liebherr R9800, a machine that combines power with fuel efficiency. Boasting a bucket capacity of 47.5 cubic meters and a total weight of 810 tons, this massive excavator is ready to tackle tough mining and construction tasks. With its powerful engine delivering 4,000 horsepower, the R9800 optimizes fuel efficiency and reduces emissions with the Liebherr Litronic Plus system. It also enhances safety and productivity with the Liebherr Assistance System, providing real-time information and alerts. Four, P&H 4100 XPC, the colossal excavator. Occupying 4th place is the P&H 4100 XPC excavator, a colossal excavator designed for heavy-duty mining operations. With a bucket capacity of up to 115 cubic meters and a total weight of 1,640 tons, this machine is an absolute giant. Powered by a robust 4,500 horsepower engine, the 4100 XPC can efficiently handle massive amounts of material. It features advanced technology like the P&H Centurion control system, providing real-time data and enabling precise operation. Three, CAT 6090 FS, the safety champion. Occupying 3rd position is the CAT 6090 FS hydraulic excavator, an excavator that excels in both power and safety. Boasting a standard bucket capacity ranging from 37 to 55 cubic meters and a total payload of 103 tons, this machine is built to deliver exceptional performance. The CAT 6090 FS ensures productivity on site. Safety is a top priority with this machine, incorporating innovative features like the Kant MineStar system, enhancing safety and productivity. 2. The P&H L2350, the powerhouse excavator. In second place is the P&H L2350, a heavyweight contender in the excavator world. With a bucket capacity of 40.52 cubic meters and a total weight of 260 tons, this machine is a force to be reckoned with. Its powerful engine generates 2,300 horsepower, enabling it to tackle even the toughest mining and construction tasks. The L2350 is equipped with advanced features such as an ergonomic cab design for operator comfort and an onboard computer system for efficient operation. One, the Bagger. 293, the Land Giant. Finally, taking the crown for the largest land vehicle on Earth is the Bagger, a true titan in the construction world. This colossal land vehicle holds the prestigious title of being the largest of its kind worldwide. With mind-boggling dimensions of 96 meters in length and 54 meters in height, this beast weighs a staggering 14,200 tons. Powered by an impressive 16,000 horsepower engine, the Bagger 293 can move an astonishing 240,000 cubic meters of material per day. Its primary use lies in open-pit mining operations, effortlessly scooping up massive amounts of earth and rock. And there you have it, the top 6 incredible machineries that have redefined what's possible in their respective industries. Thank you for taking the time to watch Majestic Works. If you're someone who enjoys this type of content, we kindly request you to be one of our very first subscribers to our channel and hit the notification button so you can be updated with our latest content. See you soon.